here, I was a little self-conscious about smiling because as time went on, there was a lot of wear and tear on my front teeth. And thanks to Alan, I can always look my best. Alan was recommended to me by some friends, and I came here and was very pleased with his performance and the office staff and all the people here. I was very anxious when I first came, thinking I was going to feel some pain, and Alan made sure that I felt nothing, and it was a really gentle experience. I used to be afraid to come to the dentist's office, but I no longer feel that way thanks to Great Boca Smiles. Alan helped me be very confident with my new smile.